What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mike's Motorsports. Today is Sunday. This is Kane, my stepson. He's 6 years old. This is his electric dirt bike, and we picked up a cargo carrier. This is going to give us the ability to put this into the back of the hitch on my 2023 Polaris RZR side-by-side, and then we'll be able to put his dirt bike on this and ratchet strap it down to get to the trails. It'll just make things a lot easier, plus it was on sale. So I'll throw you guys on the time lapse. We'll get this thing unboxed and assembled. We'll put it on the side-by-side. We'll get the dirt bike on here and we'll hit the trails. Alright guys, so we got it
done with this, and then we're better pull this into the pit, and we're gonna go for like a little traveling ride.
Yeah, so we just got it finished. We just got it finished and mounted up on the side-by-side. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick the dirt bike up, set it on there, we'll ratchet strap it down, and then...
We really don't know yet if it's gonna fall. So we really don't know yet.
No, it's not going to fall. It'll be all right. We're going to ratchet strap in everything, and it should be good. All right, guys, so we got it all strapped down. It's mounted up. We're going to hop in the side-by-side and see how it does. It's about a 1.5 mile ride to the pit, right?
Yep.
About a 1.5 miles. So we'll see.
So we'll see if this thing will last until we get there.
Yep, and if it moves at all. What do you think? You think it's going to be okay?
50-50.
50-50? I think we'll be okay. It's on there pretty tight. It might shake around, but it ain't going to fall off.
If it's like too light, then it's gonna fall off. But I think Mike strapped it too much.
Pretty tight?
Yep. So
you gotta make sure it's tight.
We'll be good.
Yeah, we'll be good.
Think.
All right, let's hit the trails. All right, guys. So we're all strapped in. Kane's got his helmet on. What are we about to do?
We're about to head to the trails.
All right, and we got the dirt bike strapped down, so we'll see how it does. All right, guys, so we made it out here. The actual unit itself, the carrier, is fine. It didn't bend or anything, but this adapter that I have for the side-by-side, I think is bending. So it's sitting really low right now. I think what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to strengthen that adapter I have that goes from like 2 inch to I think 1 inch maybe. It's like a really small reducer. Probably should have known that was gonna happen, especially with the length on it. But as you can see, it definitely got a lot lower and it's like scraping and stuff. But we got Kane out here. And he's ripping, so that's good. Oh, you got it, buddy. Keep hitting the gas.
Huh?
Keep hitting the gas. It's a little soft, but you got it. Go ahead. Go, go, go. Yeah, it's a little soft out here. He's not really used to riding in the soft stuff. So when he's coming around the turn, I'm telling him he's got to keep on the gas, you know. Oh, there he... he's doing okay. Sometimes he takes a spill, but that's all right. He's learning. This is his first dirt bike, so. Oh. You're okay, buddy. Let's see if he can get it up by himself. It's a heavy bike. You got it. There we go. All right, let me go help him. But yeah, that's the problem we're having with it right now. So I could always modify it. You know, we got the welder at the house, and I'll make it stronger or whatever the case may be. Oh, it's all right. Yeah, they're ripping it. That's why I wanted you to come pull over to the side. I saw you took a little spill over there, but you picked it back up and you were good, right?
You take that back.
You got to learn how to do it. You got to be able to do it on your own. One swift.
I can't do it when I'm on the bike.
One swift kick. You got it. Just like that. Boom. Good job. Pay attention to what's in front of you. You could go forward and go up a little bit and turn around. And I'm going to lift up the gate on the back of the side-by-side. I'll ride with you, okay? You want me to get a what?
How long is it going to take you?
I'll do it right now. Hold on 1 second. So the
How long is it going to take you?
I could do it right now, buddy. So look, I'm going to take this pin out.
And head up. See that big hill over there?
Yeah?
So go on top of that, that'll wait for you over there.
All right, just be careful. I guess I have it. Oh no, the bolt's just too tight. I did tighten the bolt. So yeah, the reason I got this one was because it flips up, which is nice because then after I let him take the dirt bike off, I can just slip this pin back in here. Sorry guys, I'm only a one-man camera crew. And then I can ride and still have a little bit of fun. So we'll go up there, I'll meet him up there, and we'll ride a little bit, have some fun. Good? You want to go straight? Yeah, that hill is super soft, so just keep going straight. We went this way last time. Yeah. Just keep going straight, but it goes to the left a little bit. Yeah. Want the goggles? Yeah? Come here. Straight. Yep, straight. Alright guys, so we went for a little trail ride, and as you can see, this thing is hanging really low. This dirt bike doesn't weigh a lot. I mean, if anything, it's like 150 pounds. But the way that this is secured in, it looks like it's bending the receiver on the end of the side-by-side itself, not the 2-inch like reducer receiver. So I'm just gonna get some square tubing and I'll weld up the back of this thing and try and figure out a solution so that we could have it working.